Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have discussed career opportunities in pharmacovigilance. Today, let's talk about another growing career option for pharmacy and life science graduates, that is medical writing. Many students have heard the term medical writing, but are not exactly sure what medical writers do. So let's understand that first. So let's see what is medical writing. Medical writing is the process of creating scientific and medical documents. Scientific and medical documents can often be complex and challenging to understand. So, the primary role of a medical writer is to communicate this information to readers in a clear, accurate, and well-structured manner. Medical writers are employed across various sectors including pharmaceutical companies, CROs, that is contract research organizations, healthcare organizations, and medical communication agencies, where they contribute to the development and communication of scientific and medical information. Now let's see what are the various types of medical writing. Medical writing is an umbrella term that covers a wide range of writing categories. It includes various types of medical writing, each designed to communicate medical and scientific information to specific audience in an appropriate format. Broadly, medical writing can be divided into three major categories. They are regulatory medical writing, scientific and publication writing, medical communication writing. Let's see each of them. Regulatory medical writing. Regulatory medical writing is a specialized area within medical writing that focuses on preparing documents required for clinical development and regulatory submissions. It involves presenting scientific and clinical information accurately, clearly, and in compliance with regulatory guidelines. Some examples include clinical study reports, commonly known as CSRs, then clinical trial protocols, investigator brochure, regulatory submission documents, clinical summaries, and risk management document. If you would like a detailed explanation of any one of these documents, let me know in the comment section. I'll cover them one by one in one of the upcoming video. Scientific and publication writing. This type of medical writing focuses on communicating research findings to the scientific and healthcare communities. It includes writing manuscripts for scientific journals, review articles, conference abstracts, posters, presentations, etc. It requires strong literature searching skills, critical analysis, and the ability to accurately interpret and present scientific data in a clear, concise, and evidence-based manner. Medical communication focuses on creating educational and promotional scientific content for different audiences, including healthcare professionals, patients, and general public. The main goal is to communicate medical information in a way that is accurate, engaging, and easy to understand. Examples are medical content writing, educational materials, healthcare professional content, continuing medical education CME content, patient education materials, and disease awareness. To make this easier to understand, let's look at a real-life example. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we saw posters, flyers, social media posts, and infographics explaining how to wash your hands properly, wear a mask, maintain social distancing, and use of hand sanitizers. These are examples of patient education materials and disease awareness content, which are part of medical communication. Their purpose is to educate the public and encourage healthy behavior using simple and easy to understand language. To become a medical writer, you need 4 essential skills. 1. Literature search, that is finding reliable information from scientific journals and trusted medical sources. Next is research interpretation, that is understanding research studies and interpreting the results accurately. Scientific writing, presenting complex medical information in a clear, simple, and well-structured way. Next is critical analysis, that is evaluating research objectively by identifying its strength, limitation, and overall quality. These skills can be developed with practice and continuous learning. Medical writing opportunities are available for B.Pharm, M.Pharm, Pharm.D, BDS, Biotechnology, Microbiology, Biochemistry, Life Science graduates. Students from all these backgrounds can pursue a career in medical writing. However, pharmacy graduates may have an advantage in regulatory medical writing because their curriculum provides a strong foundation in drug development and regulatory affairs. Now, one question that may come to your mind is, how can I prepare for medical writing while I'm still in college? The answer is simple. Start developing your scientific communication skills early. You can participate in activities like poster presentation, paper presentations, scientific conferences, research projects, journal clubs if they are there in your college. Then review article competitions. Don't participate only to collect certificate. The real benefit comes from the skills you develop during the process. For example, while preparing a poster presentation, you learn how to search literature, read scientific papers, summarize research findings, interpret data, write scientifically, present your work, and think critically. These are the same skills medical writers use in their daily work. If you have presented your work at a state level or national level conference, you can include it on your resume under research experience, conference presentation, or academic achievements. This can help strengthen your profile and make you stand out when applying for medical writing roles. Apart from these activities, develop habits like reading scientific articles regularly, learning literature searching through PubMed, practicing research summaries, and staying updated with clinical research and pharmaceutical development. These small steps during college can help you build a strong foundation for a successful career in medical writing. If you are serious about building a career in medical writing, try to complete at least one internship during your final year or soon after graduation. An internship is not compulsory, but it can provide valuable practical exposure, improve your confidence, and increase your chance of getting shortlisted for medical writing positions. Internships are not only for students. If you are transitioning into medical writing from another field, an internship can help you gain practical experience, understand industry documentation, and build confidence in your medical writing skills. For career transitioners, internship can be a valuable way to bridge the gap between your existing knowledge and the skills required in the medical writing industry. An internship can help you gain hands-on experience in medical writing, build a strong portfolio for interviews, understand the real-world industry documentation, improve your scientific writing skills, and finally make your resume stand out. You can find medical writing training programs and internship opportunities through various online platforms. I have mentioned some training providers and internship options in the description section. Please remember that some programs charge a fee for training and internship opportunities. If you choose such programs, you will need to pay the required fee. However, paid programs are not the only option. You can also search for the free internship opportunities through platforms like LinkedIn, company career pages, and job portals. These opportunities may not require payment, but they can be more competitive. Before joining any paid program, always check the course content, reviews, credibility of the organization, and the practical skills in medical writing. Now let's see some of the resume tips you have to keep in mind. While preparing your resume, make sure to include relevant academic and research experiences. If you have participated in activities like poster presentations, paper presentations, or scientific conferences during college or your internship, highlight them on your resume. You can include them under sections such as academic achievements, research experiences, conference presentations, or internships. These experiences showcase your scientific communication skills and can strengthen your profile while applying for medical writing roles. A common misconception is that many believe that they need perfect English to become a medical writer. That is not true. You need a reasonable understanding of English and the ability to communicate clearly. But perfect English is not a requirement. What matters more is scientific knowledge, understanding of research concept, attention to detail, ability to interpret data, and willingness to learn. Writing style, document structure, and industry specific requirements can be learned and improved over time through training and experience. In fact, many successful medical writers started their career with average English skills, but strong scientific knowledge and commitment to continuous improvement. When you search for medical writing opportunities in LinkedIn, don't limit your search to only medical writer because many companies use different job titles, especially for entry level positions. Try searching with keywords that are shown here. Using different search terms can help you discover more relevant opportunities and increase your chance of finding entry-level medical writing roles, as many companies use different job titles for entry-level positions. Medical writing is a promising career option for pharmacy and life science graduates who enjoy science, research, and communication. If you're still in college, start building your profile today through poster presentations, scientific conferences, research activities, and literature reading. These small efforts can make significant difference when you apply for medical writing opportunities in the future. Hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. In the next video of this career opportunity series, we will discuss another exciting career path for pharmacy and life science graduate. If you find this useful, please do subscribe, share, and like.